This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Lobo Technologies Ltd. Lobo Technologies Ltd. is an industrial technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LOBO. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To purchase Lobo, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to make a purchase. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker LOBO to locate Lobo Technologies Ltd. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the Lobo ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company overview and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and Lobo ticker to ensure this is the correct listing before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your Lobo position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to explore the platform further.